Hey everybody, so I'm going to take a look here at these hose extenders, non-kink hose extenders. These are going to be really nice when it comes to the end of your hoses or on the hose bib, so that when you're pulling on the hose, it doesn't kink that hose. It'll only kink this, and it's got a little spring on there to try to reduce some of the tension on your hose and prevent it from kinking. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to screw that on there. Get it pretty snug. They've got little washers inside of them, prevents them from leaking. I'm going to find my hose here. This is just a regular garden hose. Get it on there. Turn the hose on. See, there's no leaking. You can bend it, not kinking it. Very nice. Thanks, everybody.